Here's the Cliffs of Moher. Here's a group enjoying some of the views in the Ring of Kerry. The view without the group. Here's a sheep farm. This is a highlight for people too, seeing the sheep herd or the cattle dogs herd the sheep. One of those things you have to see it to believe it. A beautiful boat ride um, in Killarney. Little view in Killarney. I love gardening personally, and so that's always a highlight for me is all the plants in Ireland are amazing. This is what we mean by a jaunting car ride. So you'll do a really neat jaunting car ride through the Gap of Dunlow, which is a mountain pass, and it's a horse-drawn carriage. Another little Cliffs of Moher moment, another sheep moment, another boat moment. Yours truly on the boat. Some of our travelers on the boat. This is a really scenic little pass that's fun. This is going through the mountain pass on the horse-drawn carriages. There's a few points you have to jump out and walk so that the horses can have a break. Here's our view from the Lake Hotel. I just love, we don't stay right in the bustling town of Killarney, though it's just a short walk, but we stay right here where we're on the lake. At night, it's so lovely. And there's that little ruin right in front of the hotel, and you can just go walk around there. And the natural beauty of Ireland is a highlight. Here's a lady kissing the Blarney Stone. It's actually really hard. It looks easy. It's hard. And here is Muckro's house, which is an estate that we'll tour in the Killarney area. Enjoying the fruits of our labor at Ballymaloe Cookery School. In the middle, in the back there, is Rachel Allen. So she's Darina Allen's daughter-in-law. She's a household name in Ireland and a wonderful cook and a wonderful teacher. And they're very humble at this cooking school. They basically, this is kind of like if you had, I would say Rachel Ray, but I know she's not as cool anymore. But somebody like that just coming out to serve you, it's the same. Yeah, so that's that's a little look at the cooking school. Let me see if, okay, yeah. All right, and then here are some of us cooking at Ballymaloe in the kitchens. This is a cliff walk near Ballymaloe Cookery School, so it's nice to stretch your legs after having some of those meals. Here's the breakfast spread at Ballymaloe House. This is just like what you can help yourself to while you wait for them to bring you your food. This is the dessert trolley, which is something you will think about long beyond your trip to Ireland. You can pick what you want off of this trolley, and if you want a little bit of everything, that is allowed.